Hello students, now we will continue with the first type of advertisement, and the first type of advertisement is a situation vacant. How to write the particular situation vacant advertisement. So how to start? Firstly, as we have discussed in the previous video, that firstly you will have to write a title like situation vacant. So in this type of question you will write only this that is situation vacant. Don't write the title word, only situation vacant will be the title. After that, what should be written in content? That's very important. So you will have to start with wanted. It means you have written this title, and after that from this part you have started like wanted a receptionist, wanted a clerk, wanted a teacher, like that. So next, either start with wanted or required. No need to say that wanted or required. Some student by mistake write even both the words wanted or required. It doesn't sense any meaning. So you will have to write only either wanted, otherwise required. Next, you will state the name of company, for which company the particular name of, also in the next name of the post and number of vacancies. Suppose you want to engineers, so you can say wanted to engineers for ABC company, whatever the name of company. And also that can be started with like ABC company Hyderabad required two clerks for its new branch. So name of company could also come at first, but you will include the wanted or required word. Also state of name of company and the name of post and number of vacancy. That should be the starting of the content of the situation packet. The next one is state minimum qualifications and experience desired. Whatever the experience or the qualification desired by the company, that should be mentioned. And how to write that? No need to write a full sentence, only write the word like a qualification. Even without using this particular word, you can also write. So at least qualification and then dash and like BCom, MCom, MBA. You must remember all the qualifications related to the different type of jobs. Like if it is a science teacher, teacher of chemistry, then MSc B.Ed, teacher of physics, that is MSc B.Ed of science, or in arts it is MA B.Ed. If it is a manager, then MBA, and if it is an advocate, LLB, LLM. If it is only a security guard, only +2. That's also physically strong. If it is a receptionist, computer knowledge, and you can say smart and beautiful, and also simple graduation. So what type of minimum qualification desired or experience desired, that should be mentioned there. Next one is give, that is age, gender, and also preferential qualification if it is. So also mention age, what should be age between, not the fix, because you are going to invite the applications. So you will give like that age between that and that. So don't write the whole sentence that age should be between that and that. Only write the word age, and you can write 25 to 30 or 25 to 35. Also mention the gender, only if it is only male or only female, then write only M or only F. Otherwise you can also write both M and F, like that. And preferential qualifications, if another preferential qualification is required, suppose preference given to ladies, preference given having computer diploma. So if any other preferential qualification is there, you will also have to mention them. Next one is mention pay scale and perks. Also say that what is salary offered, or salary no war for determined candidates, or salary negotiable. Negotiable means to be discussed later. So this type of things could be asked about the salary, but don't forget, some student always forget to mention the salary, and it's one of the important point. Next one is state the mode of applying clearly. Clearly mention that how to apply. Either say apply to the manager, apply to the assistant manager within a week, or till that a date, particular date. And also you can say walk-in interview on that a day, from that time to that time. So these are the conditions in which you can really say that what is the mode of applying. And the last one is end with the content, address and phone number. You will have to say that this is my address and this is my contact number, so you will have to also include them, but that should be the part of all the content. It means that should not be written separately. Now also the last point, that is make box around it. So also whatever you will write, you will have to make a box. Now we will take one example, and the first example is, question here is, you are a managing director of Varun Enterprises, a leading garments export house. You need accountants for your merit office. Draft an advertisement for the situation vacant column of a local newspaper. So whatever the name of newspaper or not, you will not have to mention. We are taking the example, solving the example. So firstly you will write that is situation vacant, because what is difference between situation vacant and situation wanted? In situation vacant, the company requires someone, the company requires persons. कंपनी को जो persons की ज़रूरत है, तो हम टाइटल लिखेंगे situation vacant. एक पर्सन है who needs job, एक पर्सन को जॉब्स की ज़रूरत है और वो बिल्कुल खाली है. एट दैट टाइम द टाइटल विल बी situation wanted. So here situation vacant is the title. So because company requires the particular Varun Enterprises of leading garments, so they requires accountants, so your title will be situation vacant. Now the title is situation vacant. We will start with wanted or required. So same here, wanted to accountants for Varun Enterprises merit office. So in that way we will start. Then after that qualification like MCom or BCom, CA, whatever appropriate that is given, or if it is not given, that should be according to the post. Next, experience like minimum 5 years. So only write qualification dash MCom, CA, whatever. Experience dash 5 years, minimum 5 years, maximum like that. Age, then also dash. By putting commas, you will have to give the quality of the particular job or the name of the post. So after that, like a gender, both male and female. If it is only male requires, then say only males or only females. Also you can write some special capable of handling accounts freely, or honest and hardworking. This type of special quality, or any other computer diploma if it is required, any other special qualification if it is required, you can also mention them. Next we will talk about the salary. So salary, in salary you can also offer salary rupees 50,000 per month, और सैलरी नो बार फॉर डिजर्विंग कैंडिडेट्स. इट मीन्स डिजर्विंग कैंडिडेट है उसके लिए कोई भी सैलरी का लिमिट नहीं है, कोई बार नहीं है, दे कैन अप्लाई फॉर. नेक्स्ट, अप्लाई इन कॉन्फिडेंस टू असिस्टेंट मैनेजर वरुण एंटरप्राइजेज. सो इन दैट वे you will have to say also how to apply. So you will write like apply to the manager or assistant manager of that company, and also give the date. If it is you can also give apply within week or till that date to the manager. So it can be written at first or at last, and also mention the contact number or the mobile number that must be included. So that's the way to write situation vacant. Now we will discuss about the next part, that is situation wanted. So there is not much difference between situation vacant and wanted, but the main difference is only that in situation vacant, what happens in situation vacant happens that it is company who requires persons, but in situation wanted it is man, the single person who requires what job. So if single person requires, then your title will be situation vacant. Otherwise all things were same, only difference is about the salary. Here it is written salary no bar for the deserving candidates, or salary is that, but there we will use a word that is expected salary, what the person is expecting. Salary का क्या expect कर रहा है? He is taking 10,000 and he is expecting for 20,000. If he is taking 30,000, he is expecting for 40,000. So in that way he will write expected salary. Next, in the starting you will not say like the required a job, required or wanted a job. Instead you should write a highly qualified and talented person needs a job. A well qualified, a BTech engineer required a job. So in that way the starting of the situation wanted should be different from situation vacant. In situation vacant we usually start with wanted and accountant in that way, but in situation wanted something should be different, and we should start a highly qualified and experienced, a talented and experienced person required a job. Also mention the area in which you requires a job, so that should be also mentioned. So here we are taking an example, like the question is, you are Anil Verma of 257 of Motinagar, New Delhi, and you have just passed a BTech electrical. You are in need of job in or around Delhi. Write an advertisement for the situation wanted column of the Times of India. So nowhere to be mentioned the name of newspaper. It must be remembered the name of newspaper is given, but you have, because you are writing in classified column, and only the column in which you are writing, that should be mentioned. So what is title here? Here title should be situation wanted. So title is situation wanted. You will start like highly qualified, and here because just passed, so you can write as first class BTech electrical from IIT Delhi. It means he had also passed his engineering, that is from IIT. So he needs a job in or around Delhi. So you will have to mention where he needs the job. So you it should be mentioned it is NCR Delhi, in or around Delhi, in Lucknow, in around Lucknow, like that. At present working with a private firm in Alwar. It means he has just joined in Alwar. He has not much experience, so he is working not vacant, but anyhow he wanted job in Delhi or around Delhi because he belongs to Delhi, as it was mentioned in the question. So you can mention here that at present working with a private firm in Alwar, and also you can say he is an extraordinary person. Don't say the whole sentence he is an extraordinary, only word extraordinary talent. Gender male, age 25, because here the person is only single, so either he is male or female. Don't write both male or female, or don't write age is equal to 25 to 30, because single person is there, so age should be fixed. Also you can write honest and hardworking. If any other special things, special achievements are there, you can also write that computer diploma of 1 year, or anything that is special, you can mention them. Well in communication, having handsome personality, having a handsome look. So these things should be included if they are, or according to the post. If the post requires handsome personality, if it is a post of manager, so you can also write the handsome personality. Or this if it is of a teacher, you can say that well versed in English and Hindi, good communication skill. So these types of things should be also included in both type of situation vacant and situation wanted, if they are required according to the post or the situation vacant or situation wanted, whatever the type of job that is. Next, in that we had discussed, that was salary offered or salary nova per deserving candidate. Here you will write expected salary or salary expected, and here you can mention also the word negotiable, to be discussed later, or otherwise you can mention like rupees 1 lakh per month, or any amount that you requires or the particular person requires. Next, no need to write that walk-in interview or apply within week, because now you are single person and no one going to apply to you. You will go, so you can only say that please contact me, or please, no need to write even me, I, you, these type of things. So pronouns should not be used, and even subject as a noun, they should also not be used. That is totally should be written in third person, and even third person should not be used. Only it means that is phrases like a first class BTech. So we are not writing that he or she, like that. These words should also be, pronouns should be avoided completely. After that, that is address and phone number. So this is the example of situation wanted. So we will continue in the next lecture.